Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an unboxing for you. Today, I am going to be showing you guys Raw Fortune. It is a new limited edition makeup brand by one of my favorite artists on Instagram, RawSueshii. Make sure you guys support Black-owned businesses and definitely go check out her website. It'll be listed in the description box below. Everything is pretty much sold out already, but she does still have some bundles left. So get your hands on that. Here I have the Island Babe bundle, which includes everything in the collection. Upon opening the package, it comes in a really cute holographic tote bag with the brand logo on the front. Inside the tote bag was this super cute Island Babe package. I did not want to throw the box away. I love how she included her artwork on the front of the box and not just her brand logo. It's just so aesthetically pleasing to look at. She sent me this really nice thank you card and wrote some really kind words, and let me tell you, I've never been so happy to support someone such as her. I've been following her for a couple years now, and seeing her growth has been absolutely amazing. Now let's tear through this nice tissue paper and see all the goodies! Wow! Yes. Here I have a 50% off coupon for my next order. Got a sticker that I'm definitely putting on my Hydro Flask expeditiously, because look how it's so cute. Wow. And a fortune cookie covered in chocolate, dipped in chocolate. Let's try it out. Yeah. My mouth started watering because this just isn't a plain fortune cookie. I'm gonna try and break it in half and get the fortune, and you can watch me struggle because it does not break it in half. My OCD heart is screaming. Let's see what the fortune says. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. Also, that fortune cookie was really tasty, just so you guys know. Next, we have the Raw Fortune brand logo holographic sticker. It also came with some lip gloss, 2 pairs of sunglasses, a pair of eyelashes, and these cute little butterflies that I'm definitely going to repurpose. And of course, the best is left for last, which is why it was at the bottom. The Island Babe palette by Raw Fortune Beauty. Chef's kiss. I'm excited for this palette, and I cannot wait to dive into it. Let's get rid of this nice garbage and get into the good stuff. Not gonna open it yet. Well, I want you guys to sit in anticipation. I will open these shade packs though to see what kind of sunnies I got. Excited! Okay, what do we have here? These are cute. This pair gives me futuristic vibes, and then this next pair, ooh, they're little butterfly shades. These are super cute. Yes. I'm just going to go ahead and continue unwrapping everything. That way I can get into the meat of it here and have all of this process done already. Ooh, got a nice lip gloss. So now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Seeing the Island Babe palette. I'm excited for this just as much as you. Just kidding! Back to these shades though. They are cute. I had to be careful separating the temples from the glasses because this is a thin piece of plastic just going across the face, and I genuinely felt if I pulled a little too hard separating them, the glasses would have snapped in half. I do like them though. They're very minimalistic and they give me modern day LeVar Burton Star Trek vibes. Now for the next pair. These super cute butterfly sunnies with these little rhinestones at the end of the wings. Ooh. Like the other pair of sunnies, these are frameless, but they're definitely sturdier than the other pair. So I know these sunnies are going to be cute AF already, but let's get some confirmation. Yep, yeah, these are it. I really like these sunnies. They are so super duper cute. I really like these sunnies, I really do, and I know I've said that a few times, and I don't know if it's the combination of the makeup with the sunnies, but it's giving everything it needs to give. Also, speaking of makeup, if you like the look, I will include the link to the tutorial for this look in the description box below, or somewhere in the video, or both. And if I end up putting this video on Instagram, the link will be in my bio. Okay, cool. And guys, leave my wig alone. I have to glue the sideburn back down, I just noticed. Next goodie from the Island Babe bundle are these Island Babe lashes. They are the perfect dolly spiky lash. I love a good spiky lash, especially when I'm trying to achieve that large doe-eyed doll look. This lash style is absolutely perfect for that. So here we have Summer Baddie lip gloss. Ooh, look at that virgin wand. This lip gloss has a shimmer finish and a really nice light pink tint to it. Then next we have the Island Babe lid and lip gloss. So this is multi-purpose. You can use this as a lip gloss, and you can also use it on your lid to achieve that glossy golden wet look, similar to looks you may have seen on the red carpet or in editorial magazines. This is the Raw Fortune Coconut Lip Pencil. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. It does apply really creamy. As you can see, it's a creamy pencil. I pressed down too hard. Oh my gosh, I can't talk right now. It's a nice burnt sienna shade. Next is their 2-in-1 adhesive black eyeliner pen. So as well as being eyeliner, it's supposed to work as an eyelash adhesive as well, so you don't have to deal with the eyelash glue. I've never used an eyeliner like this, so it should be interesting to try. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, finally the Island Babe palette and the swatches. It's not like your normal flip palette. The cover does come off, but it does reattach with magnets, and it comes with a mirror like most palettes do. There are 18 pressed shadows, 13 of those shadows being matte and the other 5 shades being metallic shimmers. Before I swatch the eyeshadows, I'm going to see how the eyeliner holds up now that it's dried down. You can see that I am aggressively and violently trying to rub the eyeliner off of my hand, and it is not budging anywhere. This is some serious stuff. Okay, now the eyeshadow swatches. Before I swatch, I'm going to prep my arm with P. Louise base. That way, the eyeshadows have something to stick to, and I'm not just applying them dry, because I want you guys to see the full color payoff. I'm just going to go through the entire palette and swatch all the shades so you guys can see, and then I'll give you my overall opinion on them when I'm done. The metallic shades apply very nicely, like butter. Some of the lighter shades though, they did apply patchy and needed a couple passes before they were opaque. So when using the shades, I would recommend using a lighter base or a colored base in a similar shade so you can get the maximum color payoff. Now I'm going to finish swatching the last 6 shades. I have now swatched every shade, and I am curious to see how all of these shades blend out. So I'm going to incorporate this palette in multiple looks throughout the month. Okay, Mally Cats, that's it. That's all. That is Raw Fortune's limited edition bundle, brought to you by the very talented RawSueshii and presented to you lovely cats by me, the very talented O'Malley. So get it before it's gone, and if it is gone, you can always support her in other ways. I will include her links in the description box below. And before I say goodbye, I just have to find a good spot for this queen here. I am sorry, Dwight, but you have got to go. Oh, and do you guys see that there's still eyeliner on my hand? The staying power is pretty awesome. There is still not enough room for where I want to place her, so I'm going to have to sacrifice you, Maximilian. I'm sorry, bro. It's been real. Island Babe taking her rightful place on the throne, front and center above the Hydro Flask logo. It looks so good. I love how the sticker has a clear cutout. It's like Island Babe is one with the flask. And lastly, the Raw Fortune holographic brand logo. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, feel free to follow me on all my socials listed in the description box. Until next time, Mally Cats.